All right, friends, it's about that time for me to go. I have to go to the store today, and I want to beat the crowd because I have issues with people. No, I really just don't want to deal with a crowd. Anyways, these are my hands. Hope you like them. One of these days, I'm going to get a bird to eat out of them. Oh, my live will end. Oh, I got to do my puzzle piece. Got to use my real hand for that. There we go. So one of these days, I'll get a bird to eat out of my hand. Anyways, thanks for watching. Lots of great footage. The red-headed Woody came back again. Everyone clap for that. Yes! So I don't know if it's a boy or girl, because boys and girls look alike. So we're just going to say he, I don't know, she, they. I hope they become a regular, because I love them. So thank you again. And I will post, yeah, that's what I've been saying, but I don't know. So I'll see you tomorrow or later. I don't know. It's kind of raining now. Let me see. Yeah, it's sprinkling. So, maybe I'll come back. Maybe I won't, but I'll try my best. Tomorrow, meet me here. Same time, same place. Love you.